Hello viewers, another air raid siren of Los Angeles. This is Siren 128. It's another rotating. It's on Mulholland Drive. This one happens to be next to LAFD Fire Station 109. Another rotating air raid siren. This is the first air raid siren that I've filmed so far that's next to a fire station. I've noticed that looking for these, some of the sirens are near or actually in fire stations. So this is the first one I've come across that's or filmed that's near a fire station. So let me show you a map. So I'm here, and these are the ones that I've been to so far throughout the valley. There you go, another rotating. And this one, you can't see it on camera, but nature has taken over. The tree is starting to come into it. And there's a big swarm of bees up by the dish there. And the platform, and now it almost, all the pine needles are falling on the platform. It could almost look like a bird's nest. So, yeah, there's a swarm of bees up there. So this one is definitely being overtaken by nature. Now check the electrical. And here's all the wires for the electric. So no electrical hookup on this one. Anyway, there you go. Another air raid siren of LA. Another rotator. Siren 128 on Mulholland Drive. I'm kind of in LA County, just above the city of Encino. So there you go. Another air raid siren of Los Angeles. Another rotating. This one being overtaken by bees. All right, thanks for watching.